Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with TheChartGuys. It is Tuesday, March 13th, going to do my nightly video on oil. As I've said in my past videos, that we are going to, I personally think, going to move within this range of this recent high of 66.66 and recent low of 58.2. I think we're going to range here for a while. We've been doing that for weeks now. And what I'm going to look for if I'm a bear is going to be a break of the low of last week of 59.95. If we do break that low, then I do think that what we're going to see is a pattern of lower highs and lower lows. And I do think we may potentially break this recent support at 58.07. Bulls so far have been closing above the $60 range after the lows here, above 60 bucks. Still holding the back test of the weekly 20 MA. So if we do lose that 20 MA and lose the low of last week, 59.95, that is the pattern I'm going to start to look for, is lower highs and lower lows. And I do think that we could potentially lose this recent low of 58.07. But for the time being, we are in this range, and I do think we will continue to range here for a while as oil consolidates after such a big time move on the weekly. Looking at the daily currently setting in a pattern of lower highs, lower highs on the bounces, and so far lower lows. We'll see if it's able to form a higher low, and this is the base. And we'll know the higher low is in if we can break above the high of today of 61.97. We will look for potentially another lower low if we break the low of today of 60.27. So that's really what to watch for tomorrow, is either a break of the high of today of 61.97 or the low of 60.27. If we break 60.27, then our next support is obviously going to be low at 59.95. If we break the high here of 61.97, then look for a break of 62.33, and then would have to break 63.28. So I would play direction of which way the candle breaks tomorrow on the high and low of today for potentially a swing trade. Looking at the hourly's been pretty volatile with it moving in range. Had a nice bounce, and then big time green candle on bull volume, and then an even bigger red candle on bear volume. So this consolidation at this point, bouncing, does favor the bears for continuation if it consolidates, unless it's able to break above the high of 61.97 here on the hourly 4-hour chart. We are setting lower highs and lower lows currently, and so we need to break above 61.97, that hourly resistance, to change this chart in favor of the bulls. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.